Hello guys, welcome to this short video. In this short video, I'm gonna show you how to clear cached memory on your computer, specifically on Linux computer. So first of all, you have to check that there is a cached data on your memory or not using Linux command. So to check that, you can use cat proc mem info. This file system contains all memory-related informations on the probe file system. So you can display using cat command to see that all memory informations are stored in this mem info file system. But I want to just search the informations about cached memory, and you can use this grid command to search cached line from this file system. Okay, as you can see, I have just found that this KB file system data are stored in the cached memory. So I want to just clear out this cached data from cache memory and free up the storage, the memory storages. Okay. To do this, first of all, if you don't want to remember the commands, you can create a shell script. You can store that command in a shell script, and you can run that shell script anytime you wanna just release or clear up the cached memory. Okay. To do this, you can open a new file, leafpad clear cache.sh. In this file, you can create a shell script bin bash by beginning this command. It is because this is a shell script is a bash command. I just want to write a bash command, a shell script, and you can use sync semicolon and echo is to display to return the output. So I want to just return the commands as an input on the shell script. When you are executing that command as a shell script, that command going to perform our job. Okay. Echo3 is one of the type of echo to clear all caches. You can use echo1 to clear only the page cache. But in this case, I want to just clear up all cached data from computer, and you can use greater than symbol. That is one of. And as I showed you previously, the probe is a processor file system on Linux, and SYS slash VM is a virtual machine that stores the cached data. And now the last is drop underscore caches. This is the command, and you can save this as a shell script. And now let's grant the root privileges to clear, because this file systems are protected by Linux root file system, because you cannot do anything in the root system. So first of all, you have to just gain root privileges. Once you gain root privileges, you can change the chmod plus X, the clear cache shell script, because shell script should just these files should convert or change to the executable to gain executable access rights. Okay, once I did this, now you can run the shell script to, first of all, once you did this, you can check that the cache memory information proc mem info dot ch. Grep cache. Okay, now you can run sh clear cache. Okay. Now let's get back to the clear cache. Previously, it was this cache memory. Now it is just reduced by this because some cache informations are removed or cleared. So you can do this many times to clear the cache because I have files or that processing the background, and you see. So you can run when your memories are full. You can clear by running this clear cache shell script. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.